Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have a new video ready. What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing of another OnePlus phone. Now the last time we brought you an unboxing, it was of the Star Wars limited edition, and this time we are going to unbox the OnePlus 5T Lava Red edition. Now this phone was launched in China last November and OnePlus is bringing it to India on January 20th. So let's take a quick look in the box and see what we get. Now looking at the box, you will not be able to tell that this is a special edition because it looks like the regular OnePlus 5T packaging. But let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, let's just lift this up and there we go. So this is the new special edition Lava Red of the OnePlus 5T. Let's just see what sort of accessories you get with this special edition phone. Okay, so far you get the quick start guide like always. There's some safety information leaflet, a SIM eject tool, the silicone case, and there should be stickers underneath. The rest of the packaging is again very similar. You get the red USB Type-C cable and of course the travel adapter which supports dash charging. Okay, so the phone itself is very similar to the original OnePlus 5T, and apart from the color, there isn't really anything that's new. Let's just boot this up and we will continue taking a look at the phone. So the finish is actually pretty nice. It's got a smooth satin-like finish which actually feels really nice to hold. It might be a bit slippery, but you do get a case in the box, so I don't think that should be a problem. Now again, the specifications, the Lava Red edition is only available in the highest spec offering, which means this phone has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Rest of the specifications are again very similar. It's a 6.01 Full HD Plus AMOLED display. There's a volume button on the left along with the alert slider, power button here, SIM slot. Towards the bottom you have Type-C, a speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone socket, and at the back we have the fingerprint sensor and the 20 and the 16 megapixel dual camera setup. It's also running Snapdragon 835, Qualcomm's octa-core flagship from last year, and this phone will also be priced the same as the existing OnePlus 5T 8GB version, which will be 37,999 rupees. So let's just quickly go ahead and set this up and see if OnePlus has added any new skin or theme to the Lava Red edition. So there isn't any custom theme over here except for a new wallpaper that we can see here. So there's a Lava edition wallpaper that's been added, but apart from that, everything else is pretty much this stock flavor of Oxygen OS. So the Lava Red edition of the OnePlus 5T will be going on sale on January 20th at 12 PM on Amazon India as well as OnePlus's online store, so you can pick it up then. So that was a quick unboxing and the first look at the brand new Lava Red edition of the OnePlus 5T. It's only available in 8GB and 128GB storage options. So thanks for watching, and for all things tech, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram at Gadgets360.